Create stunning images in minutes with AI. Imagine creating professional quality visuals in minutes without picking up a camera or brush. Generative AI has turned this into a reality, helping marketers, designers, and creators unleash limitless creativity. Today, we'll guide you on how to create stunning images using AI tools like DALL, MidJourney, and Stable Diffusion. So, what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content, images, text, or even music, by learning patterns from large data sets. For images, these models can take a simple text prompt and turn it into a completely new visual. Whether it's a photorealistic portrait or a surreal landscape, AI can produce it all. Creates new visuals based on patterns, converts text, prompts to images, saves time, and enhances creativity. The first step in creating stunning AI images is choosing the right tool. Here are some popular options. DALL, realistic and detailed images. MidJourney, artistic, stylized visuals. Stable Diffusion, open source, highly customizable. Canva AI, beginner-friendly, social media ready. Choose one platform, explore its strengths, and stick with it before experimenting with others. A great AI image starts with a clear, detailed prompt. Think of it as instructing an expert artist. Tips for prompts. Be specific. Golden retriever puppy playing in sunlit park with autumn leaves. Include style. Watercolor, cyberpunk, photorealistic. Specify angles and composition. Bird's eye view, close-up portrait. Example. Weak prompt. A futuristic car. Strong prompt. A sleek, neon-lit futuristic car racing through a rainy cyberpunk city. Cinematic lighting. Ultra-detailed. Experiment with prompt modifiers like trending on ArtStation to emulate popular visual styles. Generative AI is more than a tool. It's a creative partner. By following these steps, you can produce images that rival professional photography or art. Start simple, iterate often, and let your creativity flow. Your next stunning visual could be just a prompt away. Start creating today with AI. Comment your useful AI prompt. The 3 most liked prompts will be pinned.